John Deere has developed Hy-Gard transmission and hydraulic oil for machines equipped with a common fluid sump shared amongst various compartments such as the transmission, wet brakes, wet clutches, and hydraulics. Hy-Gard must demonstrate performance characteristics suitable for all of those different systems. John Deere Hy-Gard demands a premium standard for our factory fill that has more stringent requirements than the minimum JDM J20. The regular Hy-Gard clearly surpasses J20C performance, whereas the low viscosity Hy-Gard exceeds J20D. One of the things seen in the marketplace is a proliferation of products commonly known as yellow bucket oils. They may contain very little additive, poor quality base oils, and may shear down to where you lose efficiency in hydraulic pumps. Don't be fooled by vague claims on the package label by some yellow bucket oils. These fluids have not been tested in John Deere equipment. Hy-Gard is developed, tested, and monitored by John Deere engineers. It's the manufacturer's choice for your John Deere equipment, and it's proven itself time and time again in heavy-duty agricultural applications. At John Deere, our reputation is in our equipment. If you have an issue with your equipment and you are not using Hy-Gard, it may be the oil you are using. John Deere Hy-Gard is our factory fill oil to ensure that you get the best possible performance for your John Deere equipment. Don't risk it with lesser oils and use John Deere Hy-Gard. The choice is yours. Available at your local John Deere dealer.